This is Algebra 1, Unit 1. This is the review. I'm going to go through that review packet doing the evens. This is going to be page 1. All right, so starting with number 2, we're going to be solving for the x. So when I do so, I have to get rid of this minus 4. To get rid of the negative 4, you're going to do the opposite operation, which means you're going to add 4. So you're going to have 2 is greater than x. We like to flip that around to be x is less than 2. Remember, you flip everything when you rewrite it. And then when I go and graph this, this is going to be an open circle at 2. It's going to be everything to the left. Number 4, we have 3 plus n is greater than negative 3. Subtract your 3. You end up with n is greater than negative 6. Again, this is going to be an open circle at that negative 6. It's going to be this time going to the right. Number 6, we're going to have 2 steps here to get rid of the negative 4 and the 2. First, you subtract your 2. So you get negative 4, x is greater than negative 20. Divide by your negative 4. Now, you have to be careful. When you divide, especially by negative, you have to remember to flip your inequality sign. So this is going to be x is less than positive 5. So when I graph that, I'll just do this up here. X is less than that 5. It's going to be an open circle again at the 5 and everything to the left. All right, number 8, I'm going to have to get rid of the 2 and the 3. Whenever you have a fraction, what you have to remember to do is you want to always get rid of the bottom first. The bottom is what's making it a fraction, so that's what we want to get rid of. So I'm going to get rid of this because it's attached by division, so I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides. I get 2x is less than or equal to 36. Then I'm going to get rid of that 2. It's attached by multiplication, so I divide by 2, and I get x is less than or equal to 18. Notice I did not flip the inequality sign for that one. The reason why I did not flip the inequality sign for this one is because I divided by a positive number. My graph is going to be a closed circle going to the left. Number 10, you're going to add your 2. You get 5x is greater than negative 15. Divide by your 5. When you divide by your 5, you get x is greater than negative 3. Again, do not switch your sign. I know the answer there is negative. It's not what the answer is. It is what you multiply or divide by. Here I divided by a positive, so it does not switch my sign. And this is going to be an open circle going to the right. Finally, last one on this page, number 12. We're going to add our 6 to both sides. That's going to give me 18 is greater than negative 2x. Divide by your negative 2. Here I'm dividing by negative. I get negative 9 is less than x. Notice I flipped that sign. Again, we like having this written with the x on the left side, so we're going to flip this to be x is greater than negative 9. So when I graph this, that is going to be an open circle at negative 9. And it's going to be everything to the right.